Good morning, Mason. Did you sleep well?
Dad, are you wearing that old jacket again?
Yes. It keeps me warm during deliveries.
He always leaves early for work.
I work early so you can study well.
Then why do I still look poor?
You don't, Mason.
Mason, please do not say that.
We are trying our best every day.
Trying does not make kids stop laughing at me.
I can walk you to school today.
No. I can go alone, Dad.
Okay, be careful on the way.
Hi, Mason. Good morning to you. Hi, Ava. Good morning. Look at my new shoes. They are expensive. Mason, did your old shoes survive another year? They look tired and poor. Stop being mean to him, Oliver. I am just honest. Do not be dramatic. Have a good day, Mason. Is that your dad on the delivery bike? No, he is just a delivery man. Oh.
Oh.
Mason, why did you say that? I had to say it, Ava. You called your own dad a delivery man? Be quiet, Oliver. Leave me alone.
Tomorrow, we will talk about our families.
Oh no, this is not good.
You should tell the truth about your dad.
Then everyone will laugh at me again.
Every family has value and deserves respect.
My father owns 3 shops in town.
That is interesting, Oliver. Thank you.
Can your dad buy 1 shop, Mason? Stop it before I get really angry.
Tom, you look completely exhausted tonight.
The grocery store was very busy today.
You worked at the grocery store too?
Only in the afternoon, after deliveries.
And tonight, you still have the sports center.
You have another job tonight, too?
Just a cleaning shift. Nothing too difficult.
3 jobs, but we are still poor.
I am doing it for you, Mason.
Mason, that is enough. You hurt your father.
What should I say tomorrow at Family Day?
Can I come in for a moment?
I am busy with my speech paper.
I saved a little money for your school trip.
You did? How did you save it?
I promised I would help you somehow. Good night, son. Sleep well.
Is your dad coming to Family Day? I was gonna read his speech, but he's not coming.
Of course he is working somewhere.
Uh-huh. You should be proud of him. He works hard to help his family.
Welcome, everyone, to our Family Day. Today, we celebrate love and hard work. That's right.
My dad owns many stores in this town. He buys me anything I want. Your dad gives you something too.
He gives you his time, energy, and health. I never thought of it like that.
Yes, teacher. I will try.
My father is...
I am sorry I am late, everyone.
Cleaner. His dad is a cleaner?
I came as fast as I could.
Dad. You really came. Huh? His dad cleans floors at night. Yeah, that's what I heard too.
At least his dad works hard for him. Respect every parent in this room.
My father works 3 jobs for our family.
He delivers food early in the morning. He works at a grocery store in the afternoon.
And he cleans at night after everyone leaves.
But I called him poor and felt ashamed.
Oh, Mason, you finally understand.
I lied because I was ashamed of our life. I am sorry, Dad. I was wrong. You worked so hard, and I hurt you.
I forgive you, son. I love you.
This is real love and real courage. Hard work is honorable and beautiful.
I was wrong to laugh at him. Do not laugh at hard-working people again.
I will not. I understand now.
Dad, can I help you tomorrow?
You can help by studying hard.
You are not poor to me anymore.
You are the richest father because your heart is full of love.